I am Nilima Gadge, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department in Nutan College of Engineering and Research, Talegaon, Dabade, Pune. Mechanical Department offer BTech degree of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Technical University, Lonere. Department of Mechanical Engineering in NCR is known for its excellence in academic. We have advanced and well-equipped laboratories, interactive learning environment, well-qualified teaching and non-teaching staffs. In the department, we following outcome-based approach. Apart from excellence and consistent performance in the academic, our students also perform the research and development activities in science and technologies. The faculty members and the technical staff of our department is highly motivated and have a very high academic credentials. They are working closely with each students to nurture their skill so that they will be able to handle the industry-based project to acquire a new skill and competency. We are regularly organizing the training program in different industries in each semester. Further, we motivate the students to publish national and international papers in various journals. In the current session, almost every student completed their internship in various industries like Mahindra, TVS and Mask Polymers, and also completed the online certification course like NPTEL also. In association with Training and Placement Department, we are organizing various activities to make the student placement ready. These activities are industrial visit, expert lecture, aptitude test, mock test and group discussion, etc. For framing our syllabus structure, we are interacting with various experts of industries, academicians, alumni and faculty members. We identify various sectors in mechanical field like automation, robotics, aerospace, energy and automobile manufacturing, and also identified the core skill required for a mechanical engineer to survive in the market. Right from the first year, choice-based credit systems are available to students. In addition to core mechanical courses, choice-based program electives are introduced into syllabus. These electives have been divided into three broad verticals, that is design engineering, manufacturing and heat power engineering. Students also get exposure of open electives, compulsory aptitude training, interdisciplinary courses, software courses and foreign languages like German and Japanese. Due to inclusion of these courses, our students are developed for industry, research and entrepreneurship. For overall development of students, various activities like VLCI, icebreaker, motivational talk by expert lecture, technical and cultural events and educational visits are conducted. Finally, I would say we are bonded with academic curiosity and creativity flourish, and we are dedicated faculties encourage students to expand their perspective and fond their skill of critical thinking and communication. Thank you.